Hey guys, Happy New Year and welcome back to Central City Barbecue. I'm Pitmaster James Cruz. Hopefully you guys had a great holiday season. I certainly did, and we're all looking forward to a phenomenal 2021. Well, this is the first video of the year, and what a way to start it out with one of my favorite things in the entire world to eat, cheeseburgers. I'm going with a double cheeseburger. Let me tell you something. I'm excited. I'm going to be cooking on an M Grills M16 back there with some B&B oat briquettes. Dude, let me tell you something. That's going to be some good stuff. But this isn't just your ordinary double cheeseburger, okay? I was at Walmart last week, and all of a sudden I stumbled across, they have a Wagyu ground beef patty. I mean, look at this. This is awesome. I mean, it's the American Wagyu beef patty. And look, I get it. It's probably not like that A9 you can get from my buddy Kevin down there at the butcher shop in Pensacola. By the way, he has the best meat selection at any market you'll ever see anywhere in the country. Go check the guy out. But I cooked some of these last week. They were awesome. So we're gonna cook some again today. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. We're just gonna go double cheeseburger with some minimal toppings, some cheese, onions, pickles, ketchup, mustard. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing I wanna do is let's open these burgers up. So it's got a little fresh seal back here. Kind of just peel that open. All right. Oh, they're kind of tight. They must put a childproof lock on it. There we go. Okay, now it comes with 3 patties per pack, so each patty is a 1/3 pound. Well, I'm not going to cook all 3. All right, this is a double cheeseburger, which in everyday ordinary math, that's 2. So let's put this on the side. We grab 1 patty, put the guy there, just trash away. Let's take the other one. We're going to save this one for later. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I actually want to flatten these out a little bit more. I don't want this to be an extremely tall burger, so I'm actually just going to gently flatten it. Because if I pack it too tight, it's going to be a very tough burger. So all I'm going to do is flatten it, because I want 2 thin patties. There's one thing I'm going to show you is on that M16 back there, I've got that set of grill grates on it, but I've got them inverted. I've got them flipped upside down for the griddle side. And I'm going to tell you something, that's going to put a nice sear all the way around it and still get that charcoal flavor. Let's press these down real quick. All right, that's good right there. The only thing I'm going to season these with initially is just a little kosher salt. So we're going to go a little bit over the top. Flip it over. It's kind of windy in here today. All right, let's get the other side done. All right, I'm going to add black pepper later on. I just don't want to add it initially because it's going to burn on the griddle side of that grill. So let's get these guys on the grill, and I'll meet you over there in a second. All right, we've got the M Grills fired up. This thing is screaming hot. These grates are flipped over. You notice it's a flat side with the perforations, which means you're still going to have a little bit of that heat and smoke from that charcoal coming through. You're going to get that flavor, but you're also going to have that nice hot flat surface. So get these burgers on. Let's do one at a time. Now look at that. That's what I love to hear. That nice Wagyu beef just sizzling right there. We're going to let that go for a couple minutes and we'll flip it over. We'll be right back. All right, so they've been off for about a minute. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some red onions, get some of those griddled up. Get some color on those guys. I'm just going to leave this over for a minute. Just spread these out a little. Then, we're going to add our bun. Let that start getting toasted. Let's just leave this guy open for a little bit. The onions is actually starting to take on some color now. They're actually going pretty quick. The bun is, ooh, bun's getting toasted. It's a very quick cook. So let's flip those onions one more time. All right, flip these burgers over. Look at that. Look at the sear on that. That is beautiful. Take these buns off. Nice and toasted. Onions can come off now. Add some American cheese to it. Just close that for a second. Cheese is pretty much melted. So let's get this on. We're going to stack it on top of the other one. Man, look at that thing right there. That's nice, isn't it? Let's take it off. All right, so it doesn't get much simpler than that. I mean, that was maybe a 3-minute cook total. That's including grilling those onions, melting that cheese, toasting them up. It's quick. Let's build a burger now. So first thing I want to do is start with that bottom. Okay. Look at this guy right here. Put that on there. A little bit of black pepper on the top. Love some black pepper. At this point, add a little mustard, a little ketchup, the grilled onions, we can put those over the top. We're going to add a couple pickles. These are some pickles we make here at the restaurant. Let's add one more. And that's it. Take a look at that guy right there.